Hello, welcome to our channel. Today, let us discuss about past continuous tense. Past continuous tense statements. Formation: subject plus was and were plus present participle ing form of the verb plus dot. Dot means other words we use in the sentences, just like object and complement and so many words that is used after main verb. Okay, read the sentences in the table given below. First column is subject and second column is was and were, that is helping verb. Third column is verb ing form, that is main verb. फोर्थ कॉलम इज रिमेनिंग पार्ट ऑफ ए सेंटेंस, यानी कि बचे हुए पार्ट के सेंटेंस का है. हियर सब्जेक्ट ही सी वाज सिंगिंग अ सॉन्ग. He and she, both meaning of were. She is feminine gender and he is masculine gender. You were reading a book. You is second person and plural form of the subject. So we use was with he and she, and we use were with you and they. You were reading a book. They were playing in the park. Next one, interrogative sentences. Formation. In interrogative sentence, we use the helping verb at the starting of the sentence, just like was were plus subject plus present participle plus dot, and at the end of the sentence we use question mark. Read the sentences in the given below. Examples: was she or he singing a song? Here was and were was helping verb. Was and were is helping verb, and subject he and she and verb ing form is singing. Remaining part of the sentence a song. Was she he singing a song? Were you reading a book? Were they playing in the park? Next part of sentence, negative sentence. Formation. Subject. After subject we use was and were according to the subject, and after was and were we use not plus present participle. Present participle is ing form and fourth form of the verb. Example: he she was not singing a song. You were not reading a book. They were not playing in the park. Next part, interrogative negative. In interrogative negative we use the not after the subject. Okay. Usage of past continuous tense. The past continuous tense is used in the following ways. First, to describe an action which was in progress at a point of time or of time over a period of time in the past age. First, he was reading a novel at 8 o'clock this morning. It was raining all the afternoon. I was working on my project last week. The said sentences describe actions which were in progress at a point of time in the past. यानी कोई भी सेंटेंस जो भी है यहाँ पे, ही वॉज रीडिंग अ नॉवेल, वह नॉवेल पढ़ रहा था एट 8 o'clock इन दिस मॉर्निंग, यानी इस सुबह यानी कि पिछले सुबह, जो सुबह बीत चुकी है. इट वॉज रेनिंग ऑल द आफ्टरनून. यानी पूरे दोपहर बारिश होती रही। आई वॉज वर्किंग ऑन माई प्रोजेक्ट लास्ट वीक, मैं पिछले हफ्ते अपने प्रोजेक्ट पर काम कर रहा था। टू सजेस्ट अ ग्रेजुअल डेवलपमेंट ऑफ द एक्शन इन द पास्ट एज, टू सजेस्ट ए ग्रेजुअल डेवलपमेंट यानी क्या, ग्रेजुअल डेवलपमेंट धीरे धीरे विकास, कोई घटना घटित होना। इट वॉज गेटिंग डार्क, द गर्ल वॉज ग्रोविंग लाइक अ यंग प्लांट, he was becoming more and more nervous. Next one, to express an action that was in progress when another action took place. The past continuous and simple past are often used together in the sentence. The past continuous describes a situation or action in progress in the past, and the simple past describes the shorter action or event. The action or situation in progress is often introduced by conjunction like when, as, just as, the, and while. Okay. Example, I was writing a letter when the postman knocked at the door. I was writing a letter. मैं पत्र लिख रहा था when the postman knocked at the door. जब ने दरवाजा पोस्टमैन ने दरवाजा खटखटाया. In this sentence, the action in the past continuous was writing started before the action in the simple past knocked and probably continued after it. In this sentence, the action जो है क्या होगा, in the past time continuous was writing, ये past time में हो रहा है. Started before the action in simple past knocked, the probably continued after it, उसके बाद ये complete हुआ. Just as I was leaving the house, the phone rang. The work of phone rang. The work of phone rang is done after the I was living at the house. The light went out while was reading. The light went out while I was reading. यानी कि पढ़ते समय लाइट चली गई. To express parallel action, the past continuous tense can be used to emphasize the fact that two or more actions in progress in the same time by using such expressions as while and at the same time. While I was reading a book, she was watching the television. The both work was parallelly done. Parallelly done. To indicate repeated actions, the past continuous with always, constantly, or continuously express or frequent the repeated action causing irritation, annoyed, or disapproval to the speaker as she was always grumbling, he was constantly asking for the me, she was continually asking silly questions. That's all. Thank you.